Deal Surgeons, Elite Masterminds, what's going on? This is video 2 for Bitcoin. Uh, like I said before, the drawn liquidity for Saturday was here. So this is what I call a delayed drawn liquidity, meaning that if we go to the daily chart, price action is still downward from what I'm seeing. And also I'm going to go look at that indicator thing as well. It's going to be a quick video. Okay, so let me hide the annotations. So what I'm saying is, if you look here, again, the first video, I believe that the drawn liquidity is down here. Okay, so we have these two candles here. It's still inside of this order flow of the structure, bearish. Okay, so I still see the drawn liquidity being down here. Worst case scenario, it'll be at consequent encroachment, which is 50% of this wick. So that's why I still see price pushing down. I believe it still could go back up. Okay, let me show you why. Also, let's look at the little indicator thing. Okay, machine learning, logistics regression. So we've been playing around with this. It's not going to show it on this broker. So remember, I have to go to a different broker. Forget which broker we looked at last time. Was it Oanda? Oh, it's not showing it. Go to a different broker. Is it Coinbase? It's not showing the fuck. It's not showing the arrows. The hell? No, I don't know what's going on with that. Maybe it's because it's the weekend or something. Interesting. Anyway, let's go back down to. Oh, maybe it's because I have the annotation thing off. Oh, well, there we go. So this is the order flow on the 4-hour. I think we was doing it on the 2-hour last time. This is just looking at the indicator thing. So it's still downward right here. And that's what I was saying before. We're kind of testing mean regression logistics to see how this works. This is a machine learning indicator. Okay. Just inputting the indicator just so people can see, but I understand the structure, so I could give a damn about an indicator. But, you know, some people really have to depend on that, which is sad. So I'm just playing around with the indicator just to see. The order flow is still down on a higher time frame. Let me go back to Bitcoin, my annotations. I don't know what's going on with my annotations. I just said show it. It's not showing my annotations, but anyway, I thought price would possibly come back up here one more time before it takes this low, but I see it coming down there. Thanks for watching. Deal Surgeons Elite Masterminds. This is the final video for Bitcoin testing ICT daily bias along with the indicator, machine algorithm learning indicator. Okay, so it actually worked. Now I did see, as you can see, price came down here and hit the low. Okay, now this is why I'm glad that I know things that I know that I came up with, that I was blessed to be shown with, as far as the glitch in the matrix and shadow trading and stuff like that, because based on the structure, it was supposed to come up to here. I'm not gonna say it was supposed to, because it did what it's supposed to, but usually it would come up to this bearish breaker and then reject off of here and then take that low. So I still was short. I went short early, but I didn't over leverage, because I'm like, if it do this, then I'll just take the heat. But I don't think it's good. If it went past 88.6 as far as a close, then I probably would have been wrong. If it could wick past 88.6, but as long as it don't close below, okay? But then I was a little confused as well, because we had a higher time frame swing right here. We had a high and we had a low. So I'm like, okay, well, maybe this is the real swing here. Maybe it's gonna, which is the real swing. This is just a swing high and a swing low inside of the ultimate swing high and swing low. But I was like, this bearish breaker is probably gonna stop it. Like ICT said, show me where all the breaks. Show me. He said he look at the chart and he look at the breakers, and that tells him everything that he needs to know. So it took this low. This was S1 drawing liquidity. Okay, on the daily chart. Let me go back there and show. Turn off the annotations and now end the video. So we look at the daily chart. Okay, so this is all based. This is a mirage drawing liquidity. What I call a mirage, meaning that this is. I was doing the analysis I've been doing was for Saturdays drawing liquidity. So it was down here because this candle closed below the previous day. It kind of, I knew it would retrace because it didn't close below this wick. So it did retrace a little bit, but it took it right there. Okay. And then the draw on liquidity for this day was that small wick right there. Actually, based on what I'm seeing here, it's supposed to have been like a strong retrace. And then we have the mean regression, the little arrows and everything that I was showing you on the other chart. The pressure was pointing down if you go to the last video. So let me turn back on the annotations in this video. So yeah, it worked. It worked for the drawing liquidity. And so now it's Sunday, and the new candle on the daily chart formed at 8 p.m. For Monday. So, I may do another analysis on that. Look like it may be reaching for the bullish order block, 1 week mean threshold. But I did put a Fibonacci on here. So what I did was, if I saw the candle on the daily chart, I was like, okay, well, where's the drawing liquidity at? I was like, it's down here. I was like, how do I know that? So I said, go down to a lower time frame, just put the fib on. Because if it goes past 88.6, if I put this fib on the correct swing structure, then if it goes past 88.6 as far as the close, then I'm probably wrong. Okay. I think Doyle Exchange, like I said before, I think he had it at 83%. So you could play around and adjust the fib number as you choose. So it did retrace off of 61.8. And normally if it does that, it'll go down to either -5 or -5 or -61.8. Really, it's supposed to come down here, but this is crypto, so kind of the wild, wild west still. I'm in a sale right now. I may actually just hold it to this mean threshold, but based on the Fibonacci structure, I probably should hold it all the way down here, really to here. But based on the structure, I would just hold it to here. So I'm still in a short, and I may just get out now, since it looks like it's maybe retracing a little bit. So, but it worked. Thanks for watching.